Hello, Blue Spruce Book Club members! Can't believe that this is our last book. We've done 10 books, and next video, we're going to be doing the vote. So, let's start off with our song, and Freddie's got his scarf on today. He said he wanted to wear it for the last book. Reading, eh, Freddie? So excited! So excited! Okay, yeah, we're going to read 10 books because it's Blue Spruce. 10 stories by Canadians because it's Blue Spruce. Which story is your favorite because it's Blue Spruce? We're going to read them all because it's Blue Spruce. Oh, Freddie. That was a little jiggy jig you did. Oh, that's okay. Freddie, you see, Freddie gets shy. Gets a little shy. So he puts his head there. So I'm going to let Freddie, do what the Freddie Meister needs to do. Okay, Freddie, you can go under the table and have your little lie down and listen to our last story. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at Freddie underneath there. Isn't he adorable? He would actually like to say thank you to everybody. Freddie, are you saying thank you? Huh? All right, let's go on to our new song. Giraffe and bird don't always get along. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When bird goes missing, giraffe finds him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Friends forever, that's what they are. Giraffe and bird together again. Giraffe and bird don't always get along. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When bird goes missing, giraffe finds him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Giraffe and bird together again. And again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Yeah! Our last song. Until next year though, guys. We do this every year. So let's move along to Giraffe and Bird Together Again by Rebecca Bender, who also did the illustrations. Look at how lovely. Isn't that lovely? Yes. Now, let's start the story. When it comes to adventures, Giraffe would say, "No, thank you." He's perfectly happy right where he is. Gaze and graze, swat flies, and repeat. Bird, on the other hand, would say, "Sign me up." He feels alive in new places. Glide, swoop, soar, explore. Who do you think you are more like, giraffe or bird? Or maybe neither. This shouldn't be a surprise. Giraffe eats the same thing every day. Never gets tired of it. But bird seems to have an endless appetite for new flavors. Crunch, crunch, slurp. Munch, munch, munch. Playing hide and seek, it's not hard to find Giraffe. He always hides in the same spot. With bird, there's no telling where you'll find him. One morning, Giraffe notices breakfast is quite peaceful. Where's Bird? He's probably just hunting for bugs, thinks Giraffe, chewing his greens. By afternoon, Giraffe starts to worry. What if something has happened to Bird? He decides to follow the feathers. First, the feathers take Giraffe into a dark forest. He has to watch his head. Bump, raff, donk. Before long, Giraffe is tangled in vines. Adventures are not for the birds. Or adventures are for the birds, he decides. Time to turn back. But what if Bird is in trouble? With a loud snort, Giraffe shakes his head and wrestles the vines until he is free. Snuffle, 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 snort, snort. Next, the feathers lead Giraffe up a craggy mountain. Step after step, Giraffe climbs. His hooves slip on the rocky slope until he tumbles backward. But this no time to give up. What if Bird needs help? Giraffe is determined. He leans forward, digs in his hooves, and stomps all the way to the top. Perseverance, guys, never give up. Pausing for breath, Giraffe looks out over the view. A shiny something gleams in the dusty plain below, and he spots a small and beaky someone next to it. Oh, what is it? Guys, what is it? Bird does need him! Quicker than he could swat a fly, Giraffe slides down the rocky slope on the other side of the peak. There, in a daze, underneath a metal sign, slumps Bird. Relieved to see his friend, Bird wraps his feathers around Giraffe. Bird is so happy he forgets to warn Giraffe of the yucky mucky nearby. Giraffe is so happy he doesn't notice the picture on the shiny sign. Suddenly, Giraffe and Bird have a sinking feeling. Bird hops to his feet and calls for help! Quicksand! You know what quicksand is. Twee, twoo, twee, twoo, twee, twoo! Everyone knows not to struggle in quicksand, so they don't. Giraffe sinks deeper and deeper and deeper and starts to despair. This is why he doesn't like adventures. Bird is worried, too. When will help arrive? He stays close to Giraffe and tries to distract him. So, how did you find me? Giraffe recounts his perilous journey through the dark forest and over the craggy mountains. As he tells his story, a strange thing happens. Well, he begins to feel proud of himself. He stands taller and taller. Below the soft sand, he feels solid ground under his hooves. With all his might, Giraffe pushes through the yucky muck. Bird cheers him on. Bird can see his friend is pooped and ready to go home. But Bird is still full of pep, and he has an idea. An idea! More vines! Help arrives at last, and Bird puts them to work. Before long, it's time to go! Oh, look at how many birds it takes to fly! To hold the giraffe. Everyone's looking up. After all of his fearless feats, Giraffe would still say, that adventures are for the birds. And Bird would no doubt say, yep, he's right. But they make a deal. Bird will wander a little less if Giraffe will explore a little more. Oh, look at that. Giraffe and Bird don't always get along, but when Bird goes missing, Giraffe will stop at nothing to find his friend. I have to say, Freddie, what do you say about singing our next song? Now. Okay, Freddie, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Giraffe and Bird don't always get along. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When Bird goes missing, Giraffe finds him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Friends forever, that's what they are. Giraffe and Bird together again. Giraffe and Bird don't always get along. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When Bird goes missing, Giraffe finds him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Giraffe and Bird together again. And again, and again, and again, and again, and again, 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 again. Yeah! That was our last song, guys, our last book. Now, voting for the title. Let's come over here. Did you like it? It was okay. Didn't like it. This was an excellent book about relationships and how you get along with people. No matter what, when people are in trouble, we need to help. We need to be kind. Let's do a review. All right, let's do it mix match. Let's go all over the place, okay? How about I do Mustafa? Mustafa, welcome to our place. Do not run away. You are not invisible. Let's be friends. Oh, that was a nice story. That happens at our school a lot. Me, Toma, and the concrete garden, throwing dirt balls with my friend, creating or making or planting a wonderful garden. In the end, yeah, the magic boat. Every Sunday morning, the magic boat. Ellie and her Nona, the magic boat. Swim and build castles, the magic boat. Piper has a gift, the magic boat. Takes Ellie on adventures high in the air and deep in the ocean. Deep, deep, deep. Floating, swimming. Feel the motion of. This is my favorite part. The magic boat. The magic boat. The magic boat. The magic boat. What an ending. Okay, next we have a plan for Pops. Walking to the library, a plan for Plops. Plops? I made a mistake again. A plan for Pops. It's a plan for Pops, not Plops. Oh my goodness. Take it from the top, guys. A plan for Pops. Walking to the library. That's so funny. Okay, we got to get serious now. Stop laughing, all right? Let's take a breath. A plan for Pops. Walking to the library. A plan for Pops. Reading science books. A plan for Pops. Listen to rock and roll. A plan for Pops. Building something new. Oops, Pops has a fall. Oops, what terrible news. Oops, Pops needs a wheelchair. Oops, Pops alone in his room. But there's a plan for Pops. A plan for Pops, walking to the library. A plan for Pops, reading science books. A plan for Pops, listen to rock and roll. A plan for Pops, building something new. SLOTH at the Zoom, not the zoo. Zebras gallop oh so fast. Monkeys climb oh so fast. Parrots fly oh so fast. At the Zoom, not the zoo. Sloth likes to sleep. Sloth likes to sleep. Oh, goodness. After this, I'm going to have a sleep. Maybe you will too. That's not hockey. Tennis ball. That's not hockey. Stick from a root. That's not hockey. Potato sack. That's not hockey. A goalie mask. And last but not least, today, now, Emma's Gems. Emma's Gems, 1, 2, 3. Emma's Gems, Emma's Gems, 1, 2, 3. Person, animal, environment. Emma's Gems, 1, 2, 3. Right pocket, left pocket, do your best. Emma's Gems, 1, 2, 3. Yeah! All right, guys. I think, oh! I missed one! Oh my goodness. Freddie, you let me know. Oh my goodness, I missed the Reptile Club. I can't believe the Reptile Club. I went right by it. Okay. This is our last one. I'm getting a little parched. The Reptile Club, the Reptile Club, Rory's Club, the Reptile Club, Reptile Club, Reptile I sweat through my mouth, said the crocodile. That was Raoul. I could swallow you whole, said the anaconda. That was Miriam. I lick my eyeballs to keep them moist, said the gecko. That was Pierre. The Reptile Club. All right, everybody. The Reptile Club. The Reptile Club. Rory's Club. The Reptile Club. The Reptile Club. The Reptile Club. Rory's Club. The Reptile Club. All right. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. My goodness. Thank goodness, Freddie, you're here. You told me. Anyway, oh, do I just have to sit down and tell you how wonderful you are, how wonderful this book club is. I had such a good time. But stay tuned because voting.